The #1 rated bagged vacuum in the industry is the Kenmore Elite pet-friendly upright. Dirt and debris are no match for the beltless inducer motor, which is 20% more powerful than conventional Kenmore uprights. The power flow design helps airflow evenly as the bag fills for optimal power and performance, so you have the power you need to get the job done. From plush carpet to hardwood, the Kenmore upright has a 5-position height adjustment for varying floor surfaces. An infrared dirt sensor sees dirt that you don't by activating an LED, so you know when the floors are clean. The Kenmore upright has also been certified by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America. The HEPA media filtration traps dust, dander, and pollen while capturing 99.97% of irritants as small as 0.3 micron, so exhaust air is cleaner. Kenmore's HEPA-certified cloth bags add another layer of filtration, so cleanup is virtually dust-free. A telescoping wand and attachments tackle all the hard-to-reach areas in your home. And the Pet Handymate easily lifts away stubborn pet hair. The #1 rated Kenmore pet-friendly upright vacuum. Kenmore, be amazing.
We're going to start with our straight suction nozzle system. It's very simple to use,
Designed for hard surfaces, low-pile carpeting with a minimal amount of traffic. This system cleans with air movement. The bristles come out when you do all your hard surfaces, and then they get inverted when you go over to your low-pile carpeting. And remember, this is just cleaning with air movement, otherwise known as pure suction.
Let me show you how it works. I'll start on the hard surfaces. As you can see, I'll hit the foot switch and the bristles will come out to protect any of the surfaces I'm vacuuming. And then, as I go over to our commercial grade carpet, I simply hit the switch again, the bristles get inverted, and I can glide over either a commercial grade carpet or a traditional low pile carpet. And because this system is cleaning with just suction, it's the most gentle way to clean, making it perfect for any of those expensive, delicate carpets you may have in your home.